Gael wave. I definitely think so, and it's really exciting to be part of that. I'm living in London over 20 years, and I went to see Kneecap in Brockley Park recently.
Nice.
And it was amazing to be in a crowd of 20,000 people singing along in Irish. You know, I never thought I would see that. So I definitely think there's something happening. I think that there's a decolonization of people's minds in general that has been afoot within London for the last 5-6 years. So I think people are starting to look, you know, if we go back a little bit further, what was there, and yeah, maybe what did we lose, you know, and you do lose something, you know, lost in translation. So yes, I definitely think it's all part of the same energy, and ManCon is definitely part of that as well. I feel like we're all in the ether together and we're all inspiring each other, which is a wonderful place to be. Yeah.
It's fascinating what you said about the monks and changing the women's
Yes,
words, because
yes.
the Gnostic Bibles that were written by women, the ancient Gnostic Bibles, were destroyed by men because they had too much power,
Yeah.
too much energy, and the men were frightened. So they had to sort of keep them under control,
Yeah,
the women's
yeah.
power.
Absolutely, and you have that with the Shilling Gigs. You know, there was an amazing Benjamin Dwyer, I
Yeah,
think you
it's
had here, amazing a musical performance
Yeah.
about the Shilling Gigs. So similarly, you know, even, you know, the displaying the vulva, anything like
Yeah.
that, this was so powerful that they had to kind of suppress it.
Yeah, yeah.
So there was that sense, yeah,
Exactly.
absolutely, yeah. But I think that there's a movement beyond that, and I suppose where social media or media has helped this is people just go on themselves now, and so there's definitely with Gaeilge, there's Gael talk. I mean, I have learned, you know, I'm a speaker from when I was young, I have a fáinne, all of that, but I'm learning Irish on Gael talk, because there are phrases and lingos that are modern, and so there's definitely, I think, there's a movement of people online with the language, and then you, with the stories, so you can find them out there yourselves now, and also all of the mythology is now available online from UCC Cork and Celts, the Celt.ie. So they're up there. They used to be, you know, so they're up there now in the Gaeilge if you want to go in and find them. So